Our time advance, our private client service and our corporate service invest across the same 7 asset-backed trades. Our mandate is the same, it's capital preservation. We don't treat the client any different whether or not it's Mrs Miggins with £25,000 or if it's a multi-million pound corporation that's got surplus cash that they're looking to shelter to reinstate IHT at 100%.
As you can see, we have a higher proportion of renewable energy in our lower risk portfolio, which is targeting 4% per annum, and then we have a targeted portfolio of 6% for our growth portfolio, which has a higher proportion of property development lending within it.
How does Triple Point approach business relief investing? Well, back in 2006, we started having a look at the constructs of what we believe to be the best investment in terms of the least risk and the most security and predictability. And that for us is a government bond.
And what you've got as part of these assets is the ability to get quite high IRRs, and these broadly range between the 8 and 11 to 12%, and that we're getting from that.
Concentration risk. Am I deliberately choosing to put my client's money into an offering that is highly concentrated on one sector? You might think there are benefits to that, but unless you really want to do that, is that the right thing to do for clients? You're increasing the risk.
I like successful deaths, I think it's quite funny, but it is 100%. Also, we have paid out on every single insured case as well for reasons that we'll touch on as well. So a good story. We haven't had to look back at all, but it's worth kicking the tyres with these particular products because I think diversification is key.
For Downing, probably the subtle difference for us is you actually have a choice of which way you go on the investment. So you come in at the top as the investor in the Downing Estate Planning Service, which is the same as most of it, it's just a discretionary fund management service. But you can turn left or right, and if you turn left you drop down into the asset-backed businesses.
Of course, been quite a focus on the speed of effectiveness of different inheritance tax solutions, and while that is of course an important consideration, what I'd say is at least as important is the flexibility and control that goes along with these types of solutions.